one day, humans will fly to Mars.
What would happen if an astronaut was contaminated by an unknown Martian species? What would you do with them? Could they be brought back to Earth? Or leave them there forever? Should they be brought back to Earth, but put in confinement for the rest of their lives?
A huge number of questions remain unanswered, but the ultimate goal remains.
So for Perseverance, in addition to establish whether there has been life on Mars in the past, one of the other goals is to prepare for the eventual coming of humans on Mars.
Perseverance is not just studying Martian geology, it's preparing Mars for humans. The rover is carrying a small box the size of a car battery called MOXIE. It weighs 17 kilograms and converts the Martian atmosphere into breathable air.
There is less than 1% as much air on the surface of Mars, but that air is 95% made up of carbon dioxide. So within each carbon dioxide molecule is an oxygen molecule combined with carbon. So the job of MOXIE is to take those apart.
MOXIE sucks in carbon dioxide from the Martian atmosphere and passes it through an electrolyzer, which separates the oxygen and releases the carbon monoxide. Then, the oxygen atoms combine to form breathable oxygen molecules that can be inhaled.
Now, you or I would take 20 to 30 grams an hour just to live and to go about our business. So far, MOXIE has run 8 times on Mars and it made a little more than 50 grams of oxygen, which means it would keep us alive for a couple of hours. We hope with a larger version of MOXIE to make all that oxygen in situ to support a human mission on Mars.
Humans will discover a lot more than robots once they land on site. Artificial intelligence is quite sophisticated, but it only does what it's programmed to do. A robot will never shout, "Oh, look."
Oh, regarde.
I long for the day when humans, with robots and cutting-edge scientific tools, will be able to answer the question of extraterrestrial life.
The question of alien worlds and extraterrestrial life haunts philosophers, theologians, and now scientists. Are we alone? There are 2 distinctly terrifying possibilities. One is the fear of being completely alone. If we are, the responsibility is terrifying. If life on Earth vanished tomorrow, there would never be life in the universe again. But the possibility that we are not alone is also scary. If we are not alone, then we are perhaps not the most beautiful or the most intelligent. That would bruise our egos. For some philosophies and some religions, that's difficult to accept.
Pour certaines religions, c'est assez difficile de l'admettre.
Our dream is to go to Mars one day, and I hope it will come true. That's the challenge of the 21st century. But this dream cannot be used to justify the idea that what we do to the Earth doesn't matter, because there's a planet B. No, there's only one Earth, and we need to take care of it. It's just about exploring another planet, and that's hard enough to do.
I don't know who named it Perseverance, But I think that's one of the most important qualities of a great researcher. Perseverance could be used to name basically any scientific program.
Perseverance will continue its search for life on Mars. The lone robot is not just exploring. It will also help make one of humanity's greatest dreams come true: taking people to Mars.
It's in the clouds. All I do is dream and facing the stars. All of them are blinking, and I feel small. And I love to know that there's no